guys, it's Grace. So today I'm going to be showing you a look on this new Norvina palette by Anastasia, the one everyone's raving about right now. Honestly, I really liked it. I know some people don't really like it that much because of the colors that's in it, but I love purple. So when I saw that this was coming out, I was like, I need to have this. This is so pretty. So I really wanted to do a tutorial on it when I saw it, so I was like, I gotta do one. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today, and I did this like liner kind of effect with the NYX body liner that I used in my last video, just in a different shade. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get into it. So we're gonna be taking the Norvina palette because that's what this whole video is about. I'm so excited to use it. I haven't used it yet. First, I'm gonna take base just to see how that performs, because I'm like intrigued. Like, does it look good? Oh, these are powdery for sure. But like, that's with every Anastasia palette, I think, like, honestly. Well, this shade looks, oh yeah, I can see the shimmery stuff in there. I mean, I don't think it would look bad because this palette is really like metallic-y and shimmery. It has a bunch of shimmers in it. I mean, metallics, shimmers, whatever, same thing. Not the same thing, but you know what I mean. And now I'm going to take Incense for my transition shade right here, and I'm just going to take that into the crease. I'm going to take the Morphe M433 brush. I think I'm going to take Eccentric now, and I'm going to put that in the crease also. I want it more like up here, more on the inner half of the eye instead of like all, I mean, I want it all over the crease, but not as much. More up here. I'm not taking a lot of this shade because it's very pigmented. I don't want to mess this look up, so I'm taking very little of that at a time. Okay, and now I'm going to take a little bit of Soul. I'm going to put that in the crease, just to have a hint of purple before we go in with Celestial and Drama. And now I'm going to take Volatile, this shade right here. I'm going to put that in the crease. And I'm using very little of this shade because I feel like we don't need a lot of it. I'm kind of putting it all over the lid, but I'm still putting it in the crease, sort of. I'm taking a little bit of Soul because I feel like we kind of lost that. I'm just popping that back into the crease a little bit, just so we have some more periwinkle bluish, purplish color in there. So this is what we have so far. This is like 2 hours later, not even joking. Like, Ethan, my brother, had to fix the cameras, so yeah. I'm just gonna blend out those shades a little bit more with my Morphe M575 brush. Looks like that, just to blend out everything more. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of the Soul again because I think I blended that way too much. I love this Soul shade. It looks so pretty. We're gonna take the Anastasia brush and we're gonna flip over to this side, the shader side. So I think I want to use Volatile, this shade, on the outer V, just to deepen that up a little bit more, because I want to use a shimmery shade right there, but I also want it to look put together. I'm kind of mixing the Incense shade with that because I don't want it to be too dark. So I'm taking the Anastasia brush again on this side, shader side, and I'm going to take the Celestial shade right here. That really pretty purple shade. So pretty. I'm just going to pack that on my brush, and I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus. Honestly, you really don't have to, but like, you know, I want it to be like really intense. I kind of put that on the inner portion of the lid, and then I'm going to take the shade, and I'm going to take Rose Gold on my finger, and I'm going to put that kind of more in the center, and I'm going to go over it with my brush just to blend those two together. That shade is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm dead. I'm going to take a little bit of Dazzling, the shade right here. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put that more towards the outer V, not totally not like all the way out. I'm just putting it right here, and it looks really nice with the rose gold shade that I just put on. Okay, that created such a pretty gradient. I love this. And then I'm going to take this flick eyeliner. I think that's what it's called, this Makeup Revolution Flick eyeliner. Looks like this. It's like their new one that just came out. And I've been really liking it, honestly. Like, it's really nice. It's really easy to use, and I'm just going to create not that big of a wing. Hopefully it won't become big. I'm not very good at wings, so I'm just going to do that like off camera because I'm horrible at showing it on camera. So I'm going to take my Yes To makeup remover wipes, and I'm just going to clean up the eyeshadow that we just did. I'm going to take the NYX body liner in Crystal Hip. Looks like that. And I'm going to create another wing on top of the black wing that we already have, and I'm just going to do that off camera too. Just in case if you guys were wondering, I did get a little bit of fallout with these shadows, but honestly, you get that with every Anastasia palette that I've ever owned anyways. Like, it just doesn't really bother me. So, but just in case one of you guys were wondering if you did, yes, so I would recommend doing your eyes beforehand. Just a forewarning. So, and now I'm gonna finish up my makeup, my face makeup, and I will come back with all of it on, and then we will finish up the eyes and put a lip color on. So I'll see you in a little bit. So I'm back, and I have my face makeup on, my eyebrows done, and now we're just gonna finish up the under lash line with the Norvina palette, and put some mascara on, and put some lips on. Lipstick on. Lips. I already have lips on, obviously. Okay, I'm gonna take my Morphe M433 brush. Looks like this. I use this all the time. And I'm just gonna smoke out the under lash line with this color, Incense. I'm gonna take that color. I'm gonna put that all over the under lash line, just to smoke it out. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Volatile, and I'm going to smoke that out too. More on the outer part, right here, towards the V, the outer V. Now I'm going to take this purple eyeliner by Mary Kay. It's, I don't know like how you would describe this purple, but it's just like a basic purple, I guess. I'm not good at describing purples. But yeah, it's a purple shade. I'm gonna put that in my waterline. Okay, well this hardly did anything, but we're just gonna go with it. I kind of brought it like underneath my waterline where my skin is, kind of like on the lash line. So I'm gonna smoke that out a little bit, just to make it more seamless. If you guys have a stronger purple pencil that you can use, I recommend, because that one isn't that good. Like, it hardly did anything like in my waterline. Like, you can kind of see it like on my lash line now that I did that, but I would recommend getting a purple eyeliner. The NYX ones are really good. Or just get one of those like in a purple shade and you'll be good to go. Like, I love those. The ones that I used in the last video that I just posted a few weeks ago. Now I'm going to take my Anastasia Amrezy highlight. I'm going to take it with my e.l.f. contour brush. I'm just going to put that on my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm actually going to mix the base shade and Dreamer together and with the Amrezy highlight to create a really pretty inner corner highlight. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm going to curl my lashes with my Tarte eyelash curler. For mascara, I'm going to take the Voluminous X Fiber mascara by Loreal, and I'm just going to take the first step and then do the second step. And for the lip color, I use the Maybelline New York Superstay-matte-ink liquid lipstick, I guess, and it's in this shade Loyalist. It's really pretty with this look, I think, and it just goes so good. I love this look. It's so like, it kind of reminds me of like space. It's really pretty and I love it. Again. It's okay, I love you. So this is a completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next time.